Beyond the realm of imagination, OpenAI models have found their way into hundreds of applications, revolutionizing search, conversation, text completion, and more. Through the OpenAI API, these applications harness the extraordinary capabilities of models like GPT-3.5 and more. From smart search engines to context aware chatbots, GPT powers an array of AI driven features that enhance user experiences. The versatility of these models is showcased through the many applications that they fuel. They inspire creativity, efficiency, and transform the way that we work. The OpenAI API is a gateway to this transformative power, which enables developers and creators to infuse their projects with intelligence and innovation. And now I invite you to the next module, where I'll show you how to build a chatbot and use fine tuning.